Do you know how to quickly propagate lemon trees by air layering using effective materials? In this video, you will learn new technique. Let's get started. First, you need to select healthy, mature lemon branch. Using a sharp knife, remove 1 to 2 inches of bark. Now, take a ripe banana. Cut one side of the banana. Take out internal part. Fill the banana completely with wet cocoa peat. Place it on the branch. And secure it with zip tie. Then cover it completely with black polythene or aluminum foil paper. After 1 month, I will open it. Look, friends, how beautiful the roots have grown. Once the roots well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now, I will plant this tree in a pot. The pot must have drainage holes. Then, water the new plant thoroughly.